Back here, and we are going to see how to fill up this 5644E document checklist application for a permanent resident card or permanent resident travel document. So we have to check this. So this form is mandatory. Okay. Proof showing that you made this in past 5 years. Before this, refer to Appendix A for the instruction guide for a list of documents required. Okay. Check fee include, and then this document check it. Additional document if it applies. Use of a representative or authority to release information. No, I think I'm like for my case it's not, but if you check this. Humanitarian compassionate ground, I don't want. Legal change of name, I don't want. Include the following documents: photos, okay. Online application, one photo uploaded in PR front and back, okay. We'll see this. Copy of one primary document, primary identity document, passport, okay. Definitely. Your PR card, if you're applying for renewals in our case, let's say renew. Request for, okay, additional doc forms supporting documents if they apply. Request for change of sex or gender identifier, confirmation of eligibility for a reclaimed name change, statute declaration. If you're under 18 years of age, photocopy of your birth certification, adoption order, or legal guardianship document. I will not go for that in my sample case. Applying for this is for PRTD, so we are not going to go for that. This is for PR. Now, okay. So we got the checklist. What are the things we need? Okay. And you can save this form also. This is a new form. You can just save this form and then you can upload it in the slot. So let's go back to the application.